How to share Samsung calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the calendar app and make sure you go back to the calendar view. Then from here, tap on the menu button. Next, we scroll down and tap on manage calendars. Now in here, we then go down and tap on create share calendar and give it a name. So here I can name it family calendar and then give it a color. Then tap on create. After that, you can choose a context. So tap on choose context or add Samsung account. Okay, so after you have selected a contact, down here you can also choose to share events or not. So tap on it to share events. Here you can always go back in and add in more people to share your calendar with if you want to change any members. And that's it. So here, if you go back to your Samsung account, you can see we have created a new share calendar, and to share to other people, you just go back in here and then tap on share and then add in more contacts to share your calendar. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.